Hey, good afternoon. My name is Ashley. So I want to go over a couple of things here. I want to talk about some services that we offer and talk about what you could be looking for and so on. So to start, I went and Googled roofing contractors, Huntsville, Texas. And this area right here is what's called the map pack. And the top 3 listed here are the ones that receive a lot of work because they're super easy to find and they're listed right away. And the way you can get yourself into these top 3 is by first having a Google business profile. Second, filling it out as much as possible with the name, hours, phone number, photos, making sure everything's filled out. And third is putting your business name, address, and phone number into as many online directories as possible. And directories are things like Yelp and Yellow Pages. And having your information in those online directories are really going to help power your profile. Now the websites listed below here, these are what's called the organic search. And the same things apply. You want to be on the front page and ideally within the top 3 so that people can find you. So I did pull up your website and just going over a few things here real quick. The main thing that you want to do with your site is you want to have about 1,500 to 2,000 words on the home page primarily, and this is for a couple of reasons. And the first reason being is that if your competitors are going to have about 1,000 words, then you're going to want to have at least 1,500 words because you want to beat out how much content your competitor has. And the second reason is that Google has what we call crawlers that go through, they read the content of the website, try and figure out what services your business offers, what areas you serve, and the more content you have on the site, the more of an expert you're going to look like in Google's eyes. And then within the content, you want to have keywords. And keywords are things that people are searching for. So for example, how I Googled roofing contractors, Huntsville, Texas, if you had that all over your website, it's going to become really relevant for that search. And Google's going to be more willing to put your website higher to the top. So when you look at the website, it's really important to make sure there's enough content on there and the keywords throughout, and that'll really help a website rank. So real quick, I wanted to, I have a paid program that I use, and I wanted to pull up one of the competitors in the area just to kind of show you what you're up against. So I pulled up Lee Brothers Construction, and just going over a couple things real quick. The first thing I want to talk about was the UR and the DR ratings, because these are super important where you fall within the Google search results. And the UR rating is essentially a trust rating with Google, and the DR rating is a power rating with Google. And so these numbers are looking at the overall site, how powerful it is, how trustworthy it is, and the higher up they are, the better you're going to rank in the search results. And one of the ways that you can increase these numbers is through a thing called a backlink. And all a backlink is, it's just a shout out from another website that's endorsing you and sending a link back to your site through a clickable text. So what we can do is we can click on the ones that they have, go through those, get those for your website, and then get additional ones as well. And most importantly, I want to talk about the organic keywords in the content that I'd mentioned before. So taking a look at, we're looking at the volume column to kind of give us an idea of what keywords are being found and how many times are being searched for in a month and how many times. So just right out of the gate, looking at some information, roofers in Huntsville, Texas, 250 people looking for that. Roofing in Huntsville, Huntsville, Texas, 250 people searching for that. Roofers, Conroe, Texas, 150 people. Roofers, Huntsville, Texas, 100 people. Roofers in Conroe, Texas, 150 people. So it's given you a really good idea of the type of keywords people are searching for and how many times a month. And it's really important to get in front of these people. And if you're able to get in front of more people that are searching for these terms, the more people are going to find you. And then the more people are going to call, and in turn, the more business you're going to get. So I hope this information was helpful for you, and I look forward to speaking with you and discussing opportunities. So take care and have a great rest of your day.